Okay, when we're looking at this, we have to look at measured in bag, in drainage bag. So we have 5,000 milliliters. And we've had 25,000, we've had 2,500 of irrigant, 2,500. So we subtract those, and we end up with 25 milliliters of urine output in 24 hours. All right, number 2. For number 2, we have the physicians ordered Anceft 1 gram and 100 milliliters of D5W to infuse over 4 hours. The nurse will need to set the infusion pump at how many milliliters per hour? So here we have total amount ordered. So what was the total amount ordered? 100 milliliters. Over how many hours? 4 hours. So this equals 25 milliliters per hour. Moving on. Did I move right? Yeah. Moving on to the next one. Now, on number 4, we're looking at the healthcare provider has given 100 milliliters. Oops, sorry. We're on number 3. On number 3, we have the physician ordered 5 units of regular insulin per hour via continuous IV infusion, available in 100 units of regular insulin and 100 milliliters of normal saline. The nurse will set the infusion pump at how many milliliters per hour? So what is our desired units per hour? Our desired units per hour is 5 units per hour. What is on hand? We have 100 units. In how much? It is in 100 milliliters. So, what does the math look like? So once we do the math for that, we end up with 5 milliliters per hour. Okay? Moving on to the next one. We have number 4 is the healthcare provider orders 100 milligrams of furosemide, and it's in 10 milliliters of solution. It needs to be administered over 15 minutes. At what rate do you set the infusion pump at? So again, total milliliters ordered is 10 milliliters. Over how many minutes? 15 minutes. And we know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So when we do the mathematics with that, what do we end up with? We end up with 40 milliliters per hour. Okay. Number 5 is another one of the units per hour. This time it's heparin. So what is our desired units per hour? The physician ordered 1,000 units of heparin per hour. So we have 1,000 units per hour. And how many units are on hand? 25,000. And what's the quantity of IV fluids? 500 milliliters. After you do the mathematics with that, you end up with 20 milliliters per hour. I hope that this is helpful. It's my first time doing a recording like this, so it may be a little bit scattered, but I hope the math